The diesel engine is a small power system which can provide power for many types of machinery. It has the characteristics of low noise, low pollution, and low energy consumption. The advanced production line has realized mechanized installation. The standard and uniform installation process reduces the damage to the components and the engine fault rate. Advanced test equipment and test rooms can improve workers' comfort and rise work efficiency. Each engine is tested for 15 minutes to ensure product quality.